Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I got kind of a fun idea. We're going to be building a whole gaming PC, in this case, whilst completely
to comply with New York State penal law and YouTube terms of service. Sections of this video have been muted.
from start to finish. So let's get started. So I'm actually going to take this case off the desk. So for our CPU today, we're going to be using this Ryzen 5 1600X that I just picked up recently. I got a pretty good deal on it, so obviously I bought it. So we're using Ryzen 5 1600. We got blazing fast 4 gigabytes of DDR4, which is cool. We're going to be using this SSD, which I just made a video about, and I can't get it out of this plastic. I might break this SSD. I literally cannot get it out of this plastic without bending it. Oh, that bent so much. That bent so uncomfortably much. Okay, so we're going to be using our B450M DS3H motherboard. And we're probably, where is it? And we're probably just going to use this stock cooler. I don't even think it's the right one for the 1600X, but it's just to make sure it works. I'm using this board instead of like a different one that I have, because I know this board works. So if I break it during this time, it'll be because I broke it. So we're just going to start with the motherboard. Let's get this all started. Sorry about like the undynamic camera, and it's far away. I don't have a cameraman, obviously. So CPU, it goes sideways. Oh, there's a hair on it. Okay, put that in. Let's put in our RAM. Is that even in? Yeah, it might be. Whoa, it's getting really hard really quick. Alright, let's just go straight for our SSD. Where's the screwdriver? There it is. Ba-ba-da. God damn it. It's actually really hard. There we go. Got that in there. Alright, let's install our CPU cooler. We're making, thermal paste. Oh, that's way too much. But you know what they say, if it's too much, deal with it. So far, so good. We're making progress, boys. Perfect. It is so hot in here. Motherboard installed into itself. So, is that it? No. Case. Power supply. Case supply. So this case is really interesting in that it's absolute trash because it's got the glass front panel or plastic or whatever, and it's got these giant 200mm fans that don't do anything because it's like there's no airflow, and it was like criticized when they made a front panel that's mesh, and I couldn't order one because they don't exist anymore. We're using a 1000-watt power supply because it's a balance system. Easiest power supply install I've ever done. But call me the master of powder supplies. So, what's the next part? Let's screw in the power supply. Where are the screws? I didn't get any screws. Where do I get screws? Here are the screws. These aren't the right screws. I can already see the comments. This is so fake, man. He's so fake. He's so dumb. This guy's so dumb. I'm gonna call and complain. I'm gonna call his mom. This guy's so dumb. Case is very large, and that's why we're using an MATX motherboard. It's to complement the largeness. Oh, change of plans. I'm gonna use this SSD because it's got Windows on it. I'll put it in later. Let's play a game of screw in that motherboard. Are there even standoffs on half of these screw holes? There aren't. The case only had... I bought this used. Someone gave it to me. And it only has 2 standoffs. So, motherboard installed. CPU. ICP me, ICP you. Bring that around. Actually, we can just leave this in there like that. Let's plug in our HD audio. Hey man, it's me, audio. I've come to talk to you, man. Nah, who needs that? HD audio is for dum-dums. Lack of standoffs really stinks. It is so hot right now. You're gonna want a white shirt. It makes heat bigger. Cable management, more like unnecessary. Oh, GPU, yay! You guys know we're going with the cute pet. There is no room for the SSD. So instead, I'm just gonna not have Windows on it. It's gonna do the BIOS and call it a day. Is it just me, or am I done? That was really easy. What? Let's just plug it in. Alright, if front panel works, we're happy. Oh. Oh, it's on? It's so quiet, I couldn't even tell. It smells like computer. And monitor turns on like computer. Can you see the monitor? Probably not. It says reboot and select proper boot device. You know what that means? It worked. I thought this was going to be harder. Here I am challenging myself to build a computer, and we already done did it. So that was a sad video. Oh, let's plug in our fan. Where do they go? Where's the fan header? Where be the fan header? Ah, there's hair on my arm. And that's not even a fan header. Oh my god, I can't reach. Nope, doesn't reach the fan headers. Well, guess I'm done. This video sucked.